That should work pretty good. We've got the Insta360 X5. No microphone on board. Just bare camera. We're heading up actually, the Yakima River, and we're gonna drop into a nature center. You know, it's a preserve of sorts. W.E. Johnson Park is what it's called. We've got the Lumix S9, and I've got the 28 to 200 telephoto zoom lens. So we got a lot of range. It also can shoot up close. So we got not macro, but we got close focus. I guess is probably what's the best word for it. I'm still testing the audio to see how it does. We're just going to cut through this neighborhood, drop down on a trail, and we're there. So got my helmet securely in the back, so that makes no sense. I forgot to put it on, so I'll put it on soon. Well, I'll put it on the way back. That's it. And I think the turn is right up here. Signs for it. Alright. Must be the trike lane. I hope. Can't see anything, the sun's in my face. Probably gonna be a lot of bugs. I'm guessing. Come on, get the shade. Yeah, so we got these gigantic sagebrush. We'll try and keep an eye out for any wildlife. There's coyotes here. Probably a lot of rabbits. Can't tell really. What we're really looking for is something to photograph. So let's head down this way first. See what we can find. I know there's a little pond, I just don't know if it's viewable anymore. I got something kind of rattling a little bit. I don't know what it is. We'll find out. Yeah, there's bugs everywhere. I think I'm going to do a quick shot down that road because there's light at the end of it, which is kind of cool. That's what we're doing. Okay. Mosquitoes. Yeah. A lot of bugs. Ooh, I like this photo right here. See how we got the tree going on here, and yeah, that's gonna work out. Bug spray next time. Bug spray. Man, this is horrible. This is gonna last too long. I can't handle bugs. A little bit further. Nasty fuckers, get out. Hey. Mosquitoes are horrible. Now, let's get out of here. I gotta get towards dry. This sucks. We gotta get out of here. I know it's pretty, but man, I can't handle the bugs. They are everywhere. Let's go find some sagebrush. Let's get out of this mosquito-ridden place.